Hi, Zafda empowers users to create and share interactive mini games using simple media assets, blending content and gaming for next level engagement. Our product is a platform designed to revolutionize how people engage with content by combining creativity with gaming. Through our website, users can easily build short, interactive, or mini games using photos, videos, or other digital assets, paired with basic actions. No coding skills required. We are focused on making interactive content accessible to everyone, whether you are a creator, marketer, or just someone who wants to spice up their social media. The website walks you through the process: upload your media, customize your game, and share it directly to your audience or export it for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. It's all about turning passive viewers into active participants in a fun, seamless way. Talking a bit about the solutioning part, our solutioning tackles a key problem for today's content creators and social media users, keeping audiences engaged in a crowded digital space. We are building a next level content engagement by mixing storytelling with interactive gaming. Users can transform static pics, videos, or assets into short playable experiences with simple actions like quizzes, mini challenges, or choose your own adventure style games. For example, a creator can upload a video, add interactive prompts, and share it as a standalone game, or post it directly to the social media. This lowers the barrier on creating interactive content, no technical skills required, making it easy for everyone to stand out. Our target audience, from influencers to small businesses, benefits by boosting dwell time, deepening audience connections, and driving shares, all while having fun in the process. Thank you.